So,
Exciting.
so Bo and his high school romance.
Yeah.
Let's go, Ate Shawi!
Matagal ko na itong kinikim-kim at gusto ko ikwento.
Actually, hindi ko pa naririnig yata yan.
Yeah. Actually, I'd like to think that yung batch namin particularly, lucky kami dun sa dinaanan namin when it comes to our high school life. Why? Because we know that the batches ahead of us, parang hindi ganun yung naging treatment sa mga bading. Okay, so I start with,
Mas
di ba?
maganda yung treatment sa ito.
Oo, nagkanong, yan. Anyway, I started saying na nabubuli rin kami. But eventually, around mga second year, we noticed na particularly among the parang straight guys, hindi na kami masyadong binubuli. Okay? And then, it became a thing na kung meron kang bading na...
Jowa?
Actually, jowa. Ginowa kami.
Teka. Di ba all boys din kayo?
Yes.
Oh, so parang ano nga yun, parang ang, yung sa amin yung sa Days with the Lord na yung parang trial jowa.
Actually, that's how I think eventually it was, no?
Right.
Pero sa amin kasi, it didn't take parang a retreat. It just happened organically na
mas masarap yan.
Oo, alam mo na it's amazing how it turned out na there were certain and the straight guys who eventually courted us. Kami pa yung inumpisahan nilang ligawan. Some of them were really attractive, some of them were jocks. Hindi ito yung mga
Teka. Batchmate ninyo?
Batchmates.
So, hindi older?
Hindi older. So, batchmates namin.
Would you I'm just so curious kung sino nag-umpisa? Paano nag-umpisa?
Alam mo, I'm trying to recall kung sino na una. Pero parang, it just happened na going to high school actually, so even though bading kami, may mga friends naman kami mga straight rin naman. No? I remember one summer na I became close to this guy na kasi mahilig kami pareho sa Mickey Mouse Club.
Well,
Imagine,
straight ba yun?
Straight siya.
Mickey Mouse, neutral siya. Neutral.
Pero at saka may mga crush kami ng mga girl. Pati ako, may crush akong girl doon sa Mickey Mouse.
Oh, ikaw, straight ka. Bading ka ba?
Good. Hindi, ikaw lang yun. I'm still card carrying.
Okay, fine.
But nevertheless, even though, yun nga, parang we were talking about the Mickey Mouse Club, napapansin ko, nagkikento kami, we talk every day on the phone, especially during summer, na may closeness, na may konting affection na between us.
Parang heartstopper.
Actually, pagka ganun, that's why super mega relate ako sa heartstopper.
First season pa lang, relate na ako eh. Oo, ganun rin. Pero sa amin kasi, sa inyo mas organic eh. Sa amin, organic rin, pero it took a retreat.
Oo, may trigger.
To break down that, that to make that leap.
Ito on its own, para bang, I guess, kunyari, if I were the straight guy, para bang siguro iniisip niya, hindi naman masama na maging friends natin sila. Yan.
Correct,
so, yun. So, eventually, wala naman nangyari dun sa, going
Mickey Mouse Club.
Okay, Mickey Mouse Club. But I felt that there was something kakaiba with our intimacy. Yeah. I mean,
but
with our closeness. Emotional closeness. Sorry. Anyway, but going
walang
into...
hugs.
May hugs. Yung hugs lang. Yan. Yung...
Pre.
Pero definitely nothing sexual.
Yes.
Ngayon, going into about second to third year, doon namin napansin na, may nag-a-approach na sa amin na nagpapadala ng mga love notes, papadala ng mga chocolates, yung mga ganun, nililigawan kami. Which I think is really yung sinasabi mo nga, nagpa-practice sila. They definitely kasi, they were still...
Kayo rin nagpa-practice.
Kami rin naman nagpa-practice. Naka-starter ka na. Oh my God.
Diba? Mahaba hair natin, ha?
Alam mo, nakakakilig yung feeling na...
Ako ang kinikilig na ako.
Yun nga, kasi, yun nga, some of them are jocks. Some of them are really attractive. Tapos, magpaparinig, and then,
Ano klase yung parinig?
yung tipong, kailan ba tayo? Kailan ba tayo lalabas? Yung mga ganon,
okay.
we actually eventually
Kala mo
really,
parinig nila para 6 inches ako, 6 inches ako.
actually, eventually parang we wished we went there kaagad. Pero it was not sexual.
Hindi, oo, kasi sa kanila naman, it wasn't sexual naman.
It wasn't
ganun, oo.
sexual. It was really, I guess, para bang for now, it's parang misplaced intimacy. They were looking for, people to practice.
Yeah, I don't think it's misplaced. It's just that there were no women that they could just, kasi ang problema sa aming school kasi, katabi namin is a all-girls school.
Yes.
Tapos may isa pa na malapit-lapit na another
So
all-girls
meron.
school. So ang daling, tapos may mga batchmates na, I have a sister there, and then may barkada siya. So ang daling ipakilala. So ang dali rin nila na pag yung mga straight guys are now getting into the I'm interested in the other sex phase. Ang dali to have someone, to have connections.
Well, sa amin, may ganun rin naman. Because uso na yung mga soiree-soiree na you'd have a sister school where you'll have a party with. Di ba?
Hindi ako jumoin sa mga soiree na yan.
Ako rin. But, alam mo na some of them are, at least, I guess, the more aggressive ones. Di ba? Nagkakaroon na sila ng mga girlfriends. Yeah. Pero, meron pa rin iba nga na kami nga yung nililigawan. So we went through that, and hindi lang ako, a bunch of us eventually had boyfriends. And talagang boyfriend in the sense na, tayo na.
Mag-on kayo.
Yun yung term.
Mag-on!
May definition na naman dyan. Bakit on? Bakit kaya naging on? On-off, I guess.
Oo, yun lang. Mag-on na tayo, tapos off one another na tayo.
Okay. Anyway, so I had actually two boyfriends in high school.
Well. Sa kanya na ang corona.
Yeah, and they were really, for me, I found them really attractive, and
we should have pictures of these guys.
If I can only mamaya, papakita ko sa iyo yung
Tapos ilalagay ko sa, i-insert
ko awa
video. Wag naman.
Wag naman.
May asawa, yung mga asawa niya.
May mga asawa. They ended up straight. They're really straight. At least for some of them, no? Especially the ones na naging boyfriend ko. Pero, okay, tanong, did we have sex with them? We didn't.
I don't think they were also, wala rin silang ginawa to actually hint na they were interested in that.
Okay, ganito. There was a lot of kissing. Torrid kissing. Pero di ba parang, ngayon kasi di ba, kissing would naturally lead to that, di ba? Pero ito may funny story ako the first time I was kissed. And it was in school.
Sa lips hindi yung dito o sa noo.
As in torrid. First time
okay.
na, it was third year high school, so I was with that boyfriend of mine. And then, ang naging style nga namin, nagpapaiwan kami hanggang late na, siguro mga 7, 8.
Wow, late na yun
Hindi, pero imagine, 4 o'clock, di ba? For high school, tapos ka ng 4 o'clock, dapat nakauwi ka na. Pero we'd stay on, and then, that's where we will have our romantic trysts. Kwentuhan lang kami. Anyway, there's this part of our...
So that's your couple time.
Nagkaroon kami ng mga couple time.
Kasi hindi pwedeng trysts, wala naman nangyari
Pero, one time, this really stands out in my memory because it was a part of our school, we call it the old building because it was really an old building na may staircase na nobody goes there kasi nakasara yung pinaka-entrance sa taas. And then, kaming dalawa na lang, 6 ng gabi,
so,
madilim na, and then wala namang tao, and then, yung parang he embraced me, and then our lips found each other. Yung talagang first time ko makatikim ng torrid. As in torrid, matagal na kiss. Pero at the back of my mind...
My tongue?
Yes. Oo. I mean, talagang
In fairness kay... Sino man tong boyfriend mo, marunong yan magtang-tang action. Kasi high school, I never knew that there could be tongue...
again, it was so organic. It naturally found its way to
Okay.
explore. Parang ang sarap-sarap ng ang sarap ng pakiramdam, pero may balloon thought ako nun kasi so hawak, parang nakaganon ako, naka-embrace sa kanya, tapos yung kamay
You were
niya,
on the stairs.
we were on the stairs. Tapos yung kamay niya nandun dito sa aking thigh, tapos kinakabahan ako kasi umaakit yung kamay niya sa thigh ko.
Kinabahan ka pa.
Kinabahan ako kasi inisip ko, baka ang hinahanap niya, pek-pek. Baka ang ikakabahin niya pek-pek. Wala naman ako, no? So, I mean, I really had that weird thought na,
Yeah, that was weird.
oo. Pero, hindi naman umabot doon. So, it was really just parang umabot lang sa, thigh, Yeah. So, in short, that was as far as we went in terms of our intimacy. So, that was with my first and even with my...
So after the kissing, after the kissing, what happened?
Eventually, that got
Parang, I love
repeated.
you?
Hindi, may mga I love you na kami before that.
Even before that?
Oo,
Okay,
before
okay,
that.
okay.
May mga I love you. Talagang jowa talaga. And we
so
had
yun,
dates.
doon lang talaga nag-consummate.
Correct. Yun na yung pinaka-consummation. Nanood ka ba ng Bridgerton? Anong tawag na? Pinnacle. It was the pinnacle. But it's not how we do it now. Anyway.
Of course.
So even with my other boyfriend, yung second boyfriend ko, ganun rin. We were in his house naman. Nasa
Who initiated?
Parang natural lang.
Natural lang.
Natural. Kasi magyayakapan kayo, konting landian, kilitian, and then eventually nagkikiss kayo. Yung mga ganun.
Ang cute!
Oh, very juvenile. Yeah.
But so cute.
Yeah. So, yun. Now, years after, pinag-uusapan namin ng barkada. Kasi again, hindi lang ako yung naka-experience ito. May iba kaming mga classmates who went through that.
And who also had their own,
Who had their
straight
own
jowa.
straight jowa. Yan. So, minsan pinag-uusapan namin, ano ba, talaga bang, was that a phase for them? Definitely, it was, in the sense na they all turned, and then they were all straight anyway.
Yeah, and then they had wives and kids.
Correct. And common to us, walang sex na nangyari except for maybe 1 or 2 na si jowa nagpa-BJ. Ayun. Pero kami, ang tingin sa amin siguro, Maria Clara. Birhen Ipura. Di ba? Pura Lucabega. Diba? Watch the other episode. Yun, so, that was the balancing story to getting bullied. That was why I always have such fond memories of high school.
Fondling memories.
Oh, yeah. Pero yun nga, hanggang dito lang. Wala man
lang necking?
Wala mang necking. Because we were already enjoying talaga the
Besides,
kissing.
that's third year high school. Pero I'm pretty sure not I'm pretty sure, but by third year high school, second year high school, nakapanood ka na ng gay porn.
Yes. Hindi. Alam mo.
So hindi
Wala. Correct. College na
nakapanood
kami.
ka ba ng straight porn
Yes.
nung high school?
Nung high school.
So yeah, so I guess ang feeling ko kasi
Mas magazines pa nga video. Parang
so
hirap
ang
ako
feeling
kumuha ng
ko
video.
nga baka even if let's say your straight jowa had watched porn or had read porn, baka hindi nila alam kung okay, may lalaki tong kasama ko so 'di ba, how does this work?
Correct, yeah. That's why, especially nung kinakapa ako, kinakabahan talaga ako, wala po akong pepe.
I think he knows that.
Siguro naman naisip
Siguro
niya.
naman naisip niya. Siguro naman nagbihis na kayo in front of one another, di ba?
Tapos kasi we have one of our barkada, he regularly hangs out with the straight guys. Kami, hindi masyado kami sumasama doon sa mga alumni, homecoming, etc. And then, minsan na pag-uusapan raw yun at tinutukso-tukso nga yung mga ibang pumatol sa bakla. Yeah, may ganun. So, pero naman, it wasn't really bad.
Ano lang, banter lang.
Naging shota mo si ganun, yung mga ganun lang. And, they weren't denying it. The straight guys, ano lang yun. Yeah. Parang, of course, they were saying it very lightly.
Yes, same with our, kasi nung yung mga nag-hook up, nag-coupling, I mean, years later, we would just like toss out the name of yung jowa niya. Okay, kayo ni ano.
No.
Tapos, di ba?
Ano reaction?
Hindi, magtatawanan lang. Tapos yung he would acknowledge it with a sheepish grin. Tapos, ganun.
Yeah.
Yun, ganun lang.
So, well, in terms of, since hindi mo naman na-experience ang bullying, at hindi mo rin
Na-experience ang love life.
Ang love life.
Or
Eventually,
pero sex life.
but their sex life, doon naman ako inggit. Kasi wala akong sex life no high school.
Ako third year. Pero wala sa school. Wala sa school at all. It was all mga anonymous and sa sinehan. Actually.
But you had your high school crushes. May crush ka among your batchmates.
Yes, in fact, nung high school, meron akong isang crush na hindi sa batch. Parang it was too close kasi kung sa classroom or sa batch. So it was an undergrad.
Undergrad.
So
Okay.
na we were in the same extracurricular activity. So tapos yung parang closeness na nangyari sa mga nag-days with the Lord na nag-coupling, yun yung parang ina-attempt ko na mangyari.
Pero there wasn't an event like Days with the Lord. Walang activity na gano'n.
Well, pareho kami nag-days pero hindi kami parehong
Hindi kayo batch. Oo,
so kaya kaya
And he was younger.
and he was younger kaya nga hindi kami nagsabay.
Pero crush mo siya.
Oo. But it was an unrequited thing because so nung nag-days with the Lord siya, tapos nag-days with the Lord siya with his batchmates and classmates, siya nakipag-couple sa classmate niya. So unrequited.
Okay. Did he turn out to be
No, they're both straight.
one of us?
No,
They're both
straight.
straight.
They both have, I think, wife and kids na.
Okay. So I wonder do sa ating mga kasamang nanonood, anong naging experience nyo in high school? And
Specifically, romantic.
romantic. Yun nga, siguro one of these days, dapat mag-guest din tayo ng somebody who grew up naman in a co-ed environment. I wonder kung paano ang bading in a co-ed environment, knowing na may mga babae rin dyan, di ba?
Or kung meron bang mga straights rin na would, even though may mga babae, would have
Yes.
trial jowa with
Correct.
with mga bading.
Or yung ibang narinig ko would be para bang, doon may sex talaga, yung bading pang sex, yung...
Pero I think, siguro, iba na rin yung panahon ngayon versus yung
Sabagay,
panahon
yeah.
natin.
Yeah.
Kasi, syempre, yung pagpanahon ngayon, pag may makita kang magjowang dalawang lalaki, parang, ano ngayon? Ano ngayon? But siguro nung panahon natin, baka iba talaga.
Yeah. So kung may babalikan ka sa high school that you'd like to change?
Yung isang hada sa judge.
O si unrequited ba?
Hindi, okay na ako sa ano yung nangyari. Parang yeah. I mean, no. Ako ang natutunan ko lang doon. Okay, what I learned was, so I was falling for straight guys. So nung high school, I fell for a straight guy. Nung college, I fell for a straight guy. Nung after college, I fell for a straight guy. After 3 straight guys, wala na. As in, hindi na talaga ako tinatabala. Pag alam kong straight yan, walang feeling.
Because
Parang na-realize ko na
bad
parang...
experience with straight guys?
It was always unrequited. So, na-realize ko na
yeah.
parang, bakit pa ako kukuha ng bato tapos pupukpukin ko yung ulo ko? Straight yan eh. Straight,
Okay.
bato talaga. Yun.
Pero nung time na yun, meron ka ng idea that you can, parang there's such a thing as gay male with gay male? Na you can actually...
Nung high school and college, yung, basta alam ko lang na I like men.
Okay.
So hindi tapos the more straight acting man it would be, the better for me.
Okay.
Hindi ako attracted to yung talagang flamboyantly
Yeah.
out yon. But nung I think nung after college na when kasi it was after college that talagang I came out even to others eh. Doon ko na-realize na meron straight acting gays and meron rin not straight acting gays. So then I said, then might as well look for the straight acting gays kasi I'm attracted to straight acting I don't want na mga straight guys, yung mga wala talagang may gusto sa mga bading.
Yeah. Actually, and to think, I had an experience na may ginawa ako mga straight. But I also came to that parang conclusion, pero more of because of exposure to American literature.
Yeah, same.
Ang tawag nun, macho gay.
Actually, movies and books.
And books, more of books nga eh. Less pa yung mga movies nun eh.
Kasi mahirap naman.
Oo.
Mahirap makapanood ng mga
Mahirap
gay
pa.
movies.
It was few and far between. But at least yung books, may mga lumalabas-labas na. And that's where I got the notion na there's such a thing as macho gay, or ngayon, straight acting gays. And for me, parang ito sa logical conclusion na bakit ako papatol exactly what you were thinking? Sa isang straight na alam ko naman ang hinahanap niya babae. Gusto ko, papatol ako sa isang lalaki na hahanap rin niya ay kapwa lalaki. Which is why I also became more consciously straight acting because I wanted to attract similarly.
Ako rin naman yung noon rin kasi especially when the wokeism came out, and parang bakit kaya hindi attracted sa mga flamboyant and out again. And before kasi, my usual answer, even before all of this wokeism, pag tinatanong ako na bakit gusto ko yung straight acting, ang laging sagot ko was, kung umaarte na siyang babae at mukha na siyang babae, di bakit sana nagpumatol lang ako sa babae, di ba?
I so agree, di ba? So, I would have been attracted to women na lang.
Oo, yun. So kaya I recognize that I am turned on by the masculine attributes of someone. Now, kung meron bang tomboy na gwapo, ma-attract ba ako na gano'n? Siguro pag hindi ko alam na tomboy siya, or pag hindi ko alam
pero
na...
wala akong pepe.
Diba? Wala akong pepe. Ay, meron pala akong pepe.
At doon nasira ang fantasy.
Yun. Pero syempre, at that time kasi, I wasn't even thinking of trans.
Yeah.
Or just...
Iba pa talaga ang panahon noon.
At saka pag alam mong tomboy, even yung mga tomboy, di ba noon yung mga tomboy noon, di naman, they would just cut their hair short, pero kita mo pa rin yung boobs.
Yeah.
They would just wear men's clothes, pero alam mong babae.
They were very, and the
curves were still there.
Correct. Very butch, etc. Kasi wala pa namang hormonal.
Wala pa, di ba? I mean, alam mo lang na konduktora ng bus.
Oh my God! Ayan naman siya.
Ang dami sa kanila. JB Transit. At saka, Marikina Autoline.
Di ba alam ako politically incorrect niya? Or just stereotyping. Ay, nako. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Wala na kami. Ayaw with that. Sana nakarelate. Well, baka makwento nyo rin ang naging storya nyo.
Especially kung meron kayong high school love.
My high school love. Yes. Or also the experience of bullying, because that's something na eventually Heartstopper really para bang champion doon.
Sige. Mapanood nga yung...
Well, panoorin mo na.
Ilang season na ba yun?
If I'm not mistaken, 3 seasons and
tapos
then the movie.
Yeah. Sige. But, napanood mo na yung movie, right?
Yes.
Can I watch the movie without having seen 2 and 3?
Kaya naman. Because you'll just come to the conclusion na may mga naging...
Nangyari na before.
At saka may relationship na si ganito. Sila na yung ganito. Yeah.
Okay.
And with that, I'm Bo.
And I'm Joel. And this has been
yours truly, the podcast.